When a company will introduce the factory management method and use an external company as consultant. There are three cases. First, a company top will start a management training to want voluntary management innovation activities to his managers. Second, top management who is unfamiliar with management will entrust all management improvements to an outside consultant. Third, a company will conduct training in the form of educational programs as simply one of qualification for management. At the series, I would like to present about second case. In general, when the product strength is strong enough and the rival is weak, management methods are not so important in that company. Because these kinds of companies will generate sufficient revenue by it. However, in companies that are not in such environments or companies that are in danger of falling into the deficit, measures on management are extremely important. In such a case, there are some companies that use external consultants, but these kinds of enterprises need to check the contents shown in the figure. If this company will use a very bad consultation, it will not only produce results but also spend many wastes of time and money. As a result, there may be a crisis that such contradictions will bring a company to go bankrupt. The fact that the company is active is the evidence which is being a track record that products have been manufactured and customers have earned a reputation. If you understand this principle, and if there is a problem in terms of management in a company, it should first try to take measures as shown in the figure and take measures to reinforce the missing parts with external support. The reason is that the company has full responsibility for the final company. From now on, I would like to introduce examples where a company received support by Mr. E consultant who is famous for management and made a significant breakthrough in its corporate profits and actions. This company was a company that was supplying forged parts to a major automobile manufacturer. As you can see this figure, this company had large differences in employees' skills, also a problem in terms of bottom-up improvement. By these problems it had a company with customer complaints in terms of quality and delivery schedule. In this way, the company were entrusting many educations and guidance from many outside consultants and seminars. But various situations were not advanced here before Mr. E's supporting. Mr. E analyzed the management aspect of this company, clarified the countermeasure point, and then started teaching improvement. Also, when you will want to learn more about such analysis, please refer on to COE Series 1. It will help you to make your company future plan, I think. As a matter of course, Mr. E is not familiar about the manufacturing technology of this company and does not know the details of the company. So, he introduced methods to this corporate revitalization which employees themselves of this company learn and resolve their management problems and voluntarily improvement by them. Main points of guidance and improvement of this company by him were the procedure shown in this figure. Also, the feature of improvements that here was to be decided the drinking day when all problems were solved. And it was finished in half a year by efforts of them. 3 years later, the company increased its power and developed its work in different business market field IT field. In this kind of company, if the external correct support by like Mr. E is applied, it will give it great results on management side. Mr. E is a friend of Mr. Nakamura. Mr. Nakamura and Mr. E are using an effective method for top-down request and bottom-up improvement of this figure. If your company has like this problem as I presented before, please refer. And this material is put on DeCoE Series 1.